Pinecone craft, a little piece of nature. Sometimes the most beautiful things are already waiting for us in nature. A simple pine cone may look like an ordinary little piece of wood, but with a little creativity, it can become something beautiful and special. One day, while walking outside, I found a few pine cones on the ground. Instead of throwing them away, I decided to give them a new life. I gently cleaned the pine cone and prepared them for my craft project. As you can watch in this video, here is very amazing pinecone craft ideas. As I started working, I noticed something wonderful. My mind became calm and I stopped thinking about all the little worries of the day. Crafting is not only about making beautiful decorations, it can also be a peaceful way to slow down, focus, and enjoy the moment. I added simple decoration to the pine cones and slowly watched them transform into the charming little piece of art. What I love most about this craft is that it doesn't need expensive materials. We can use things we already have at home and even collect safe, natural materials that have fallen to the ground. This is one of the most beautiful lessons of recycling. Before throwing something away, we can ask ourselves, can I give this a new purpose? A pine cone can become a Christmas decoration, a table ornament, or a little hanging decoration, centerpiece of table, wall hanging, and even a part of beautiful nature-inspired centerpiece. And every handmade piece has its own story. When we create something with our hands, we are not just making an object, we are also creating a moment of patience, imagination, and happiness. So the next time you see a simple pine cone, don't think of it as something ordinary. Look at it with creative eyes. Maybe the little pine cone is waiting to become your next beautiful craft project. Because creativity doesn't always begin with expensive supplies, sometimes it begins with something simple that nature has already given us. And when we recycle, create, and enjoy the process, we give both material and our imagination a new life. So let's keep creating more recycling and keep finding beauty in the little things around us. A simple pine cone, a little creativity, and the peaceful moment can create something truly special. The benefits of craft improves focus. Crafting helps us concentrate on one activity at a time. Reduce everyday stress. Creative activities can feel calming and relaxing. Crafting encourages new ideas and imagination. Cutting, painting, gluing, and arranging help development coordination. Handmade projects teach us to work slowly and carefully. Encourages recycling. Old and natural materials can be turned into useful decoration. Encourage your recycling and healthy mindfulness. Connect us with nature. Using pinecone twigs, leaves, and other natural materials bring a natural feeling to our projects. Create a sense of achievement. Finishing something with your own hands can be very satisfying. Encourages self-expression. Colors, shape, and designs allow us to express our ideas. Make meaningful decorations. Handmade crafts can add a personal touch to our home. Pinecone are little gifts from nature. They have a unique shape and a natural beauty that makes them perfect for creative craft. Instead of throwing natural materials away, we can give them a second life through creativity. For this craft, I am using simple pinecone and a few basic decorating materials you can use. The best thing about the project is that it doesn't have to be complicated. As I work with each pine cone, I can take my time, choose a decoration, and enjoy the creative process. Crafting can be a wonderful way to slow down and focus on the present moment when our hands are busy creating and minds can take a peaceful break from everyday distraction. Pinecone crafts are also a great reminder that beautiful decoration doesn't always need to be expensive. With a little imagination, something simple can become something special. We can turn pine cone into a Christmas decoration, table ornaments, wreath, decoration, hanging ornaments, or beautiful nature-inspired piece for our home. And there is another beautiful benefit recycling and reusing. When we reuse materials instead of immediately throwing them away, we can reduce waste and discover new possibilities. So, the next time you find a pine cone, don't just walk past it. Pick it up, look at its natural shape, and let your imagination decide what could it become. Because sometimes creativity begins with the simplest thing. A pine cone, a few decoration, and a little patience can create something beautiful. So keep creating, keep recycling, the most importantly, enjoy every little moment of your craft journey. It would be very memorable, very memorable, and a beautiful journey for your life. So we are definitely trying to bring for you amazing and most beautiful designs. Pine cone craft, nature, creativity, and mindfulness. There is something special about creating with natural materials. A simple pine cone may come from the tree, but with a little imagination, it can become a beautiful piece of handmade art. Pine cone have such an interesting nature and shape, every little scale of different making each one unique. For the craft, we don't need a lot of expensive supplies. We can start with a few pine cone and some simple materials we already have at home. So the pine cone can be gently cleaned and prepared. Then comes the fun part, decorating. We can add ribbon, a small piece of jute, paper decoration, or other craft materials to create our own designs. The wonderful things about handmade crafts is that there is no single correct way to create. We can choose our own colors, shape, and decorations. Every finished piece can look different because every person's imagination is different. Crafting can also encourage patience. Sometimes a small details takes a little longer than expected. Instead of rushing, we can all slow down and enjoy the process. This is where crafting can become a mindful activity. As we concentrate on cutting, arranging, gluing, or decorating, we can focus our attention on what we are doing right now. It can be a peaceful break from screens and everyday distraction, and pinecone crafts can also teach us an important lesson about recycling. Before throwing something away, we can stop and think, can this be reused? An old bin, a leftover piece of juice, some cardboard, or natural pinecone can all become part of something new. Reusing materials helps us be more thoughtful about waste and encourages us to see possibilities in ordinary objects. Pinecone are especially beautiful for seasonal crafts during Christmas. They can become charming ornaments and decorations about bring warm, natural feelings into our homes. But pine cones are not only for Christmas, they can be used throughout the year for nature-inspired decoration, a small art projects, wreath, centerpieces, and many other creative ideas. Most importantly, crafting is about enjoying the journey. You don't have to create.
For this wreath material, you only need jute rope or jute ribbon, pine cones, a circular base, cardboard or old hoop, hot glue, twigs, berries, or small ornaments, ribbon for bow. Simple, affordable, and perfect for last-minute X-Mix decor. Start by taking your circular base, wrap the jute rope all around it tightly, let the texture it